Hey, Liberal Arts Math, how's it going? Progress report just went out last week. Some of you guys are falling off the wagon, okay? We need to finish strong. You guys are almost there, okay? We only have we got like a month left, so it's like 4 weeks, okay? So keep on with those topics. Please reach out if you need me. You can reach me on Schoology or email. I've got a Google Voice phone number too if you need to text that. Please, 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 whatever you got to do to get this stuff done, please reach out. Please let me know. I'm here to help, okay? Um, but again, this week, 12 topics, the 120 minutes, and then upload your work to Alex, okay? So if you guys need help, I'm here, all right? But you guys need to make that reach out, okay? Um, Good luck, and I know you can do it. Have a great week, and I will see you next time, okay? All right, bye.